This video will demonstrate using North Carolina LiDAR with the Kentucky elevation tools to extract elevation points and generate contours. The data was downloaded from North Carolina's spatial data download site. So we've got both some ortho photos and LiDAR data. We have a quantum GIS project, and you can see the target area that we're working with is downtown Charlotte. And what we like to do is end up extracting points for this particular area and only that area. The LiDAR data that we got has a lot more points. It covers a lot more area. So we've drawn a boundary. We're going to export this. And now we'll come over to our elevation tools, Z tools. Now the LiDAR data we received from North Carolina is in version 1.4, and we need to convert that to 1.2, and we're going to use our tool to do that, LAS version tool. That is now complete. And then we'll go to our, we want to filter this data and only remove and only work with points that are classified to or for ground that are classified as ground points, and that's a classification of 2. We're going to go ahead and pick the output data folder for the version 1.2 LiDAR data. We'll get files, and we'll see that this is now version 1.2, and there's 29 million points in that overall file. We want to filter this down some, so we're only going to grab the ground points, and we'll process that. And that's now complete. Some of this was already done, so the steps are going much quicker, but we'll go ahead and follow. The next step then is to extract our polygon. We've already, actually we need to manage our layers, import our polygon. Now we're processing our ground LiDAR against our polygon. That is complete. Next thing we want to do is we're going to want to create a DIM or digital elevation model from the output points. We can look at the data that we extracted, and we have some text files that we've extracted. We also had a new LAZ file. What we're going to do is use our raster conversion and convert LAZ to a TIFF so we can create a DIM. Get the file, we'll set our projection, and then process this to create a DIM. And then we'll bring our DIM over into our project. Projection is not set properly, and we're gonna make sure that we get that set to North Carolina. And now we have a DIM. So this is a DIM that we've produced from the extracted point data, and now it makes it easy for us to create contours. We'll use our clip DIM, and we're going to do 2-foot contours, and we'll just go ahead and run those. And again, we're going to set our projection. We can turn it off, and now we see we have contours generated throughout the project area. And that's how we can use the North Carolina LiDAR to generate contours and extract points using the Kentucky elevation tools.